Theta United States dollar medium-term support especially remained at 92 cents in an unpretentious manner. The really current exchanging volume of Theta organization especially is at $5,642,750 in a genuinely significant manner. Theta organization essentially is buy and buy esteemed at 73 cents. Bull control Theta's extremely current cost activities in an especially enormous manner. 08 July 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense, clarified some things, facts. What all things considered, is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. By and large is Theta a kind of wise speculation? Or so they fundamentally thought. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, which basically is very huge. In any case, prior to plunging extremely profound into the Theta specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the kind of current economic situations, or so they basically thought. Market examination over the in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in an unpretentious manner. The very all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $20,577,638,440, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level, after a decay of 0.54%, so which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $30,231.42 level, after a downfall of 0.54%. Especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, really has seen a value lessening of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in a very significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time span in an especially significant manner. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.66 and presently exchanging at 47 cents. Or so they by and large thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions really demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a by and large descending course for sort of present moment, showing how XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, for the most part is up by 0.66 and right now exchanging at 47 cents, which especially is very critical. As of now, a fundamentally broad, genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, showing how market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to in every way that really matters, recognize exceptionally key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers especially become in every practical sense all the more genuinely dynamic, and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54%. So which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a downfall of 0.54% in an especially large manner. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which dealers generally become move really dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part shows that similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move genuinely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a by and large enormous manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, certainly is at 73 cents, up 0.27% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 2.83% throughout the week, exhibiting that the exceptionally complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $20,577,638,440, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 5,642,750.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, absolute market cap came to $729,681,168 United States dollars, exhibiting how Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which truly is genuinely critical. There generally are very nearly 1 billion, certainly are available for use out of 1 billion, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 0.65%. Coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, showing how market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value examination Theta cost investigation for 08 July 2023, inside a truly everyday time period, by and large made sense of underneath, sort of additional appearance, how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54%. So which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54% in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely basic moving in every way that really matters. Normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA to explicitly examine the